Welcome to the Stocking Filla 30-minute workshop. We're going to go through the members area and guide you a little bit through what to expect. Glad that you're here. Check out, we're going to share my screen and we are going to go into the members area. So in the members area, you've got the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you have the welcome video from Jamie Lewis, telling you a little bit about what you need to do and what to expect with Stocking Filla. Then on the left, you have the products. My favorite are these three products. You've got Selfie Cash, Forget About Broke, and Plenty of Commissions. So Selfie Cash is all about making money with YouTube videos. Johnny Rose does a phenomenal job teaching you how to make money with doing selfie walkable email reviews on products that have just launched. I love this. I recommend it to everybody that comes to the Beyond the Buy Builders. I'm like, you've got to learn Selfie Cash so that you understand how to make money utilizing YouTube. Then we have my ultimate favorite product, and I expect everybody to actually follow these instructions and have a Clarity account created. Now, Clarity is where you can get paid to talk on the phone. It's phenomenal, all right? So what's going to happen is you watch these videos. It's going to explain why Clarity, why you want to get paid on the phone, and how to create your profile on Clarity. Now, because you purchased this, you get access to the Beyond the Buy Builders, and that's where you'll learn more about how to maximize your income-producing activities on Stocking Filla. But furthermore, I expect you to have a Clarity.fm account so I can promote you as somebody to call and an expert. Last part about this, which is phenomenal, is plenty of commissions. This is press releases. You are going to learn from Johnny Rose how to do what's called a press release, which is a way of marketing a product, whether it's your product or somebody else's product. You can do a press release with your affiliate link. Unbelievable, right? So this is something that we highly recommend. So you can just watch the videos. You now are the owner of three amazing product lines that basically teach you how to do three things: YouTube, get paid on the phone, and how to advertise through press releases. Now, the most amazing part of this is not only do you have access to the most important part of these projects, which are the training, you also have 100% reseller rights to these. So you got to go into your Warrior Plus account and you need to request to be able to sell these products, and you have to, in this introductory video right here where Jamie's talking, he's going to tell you the secret word. So when you put your note in there to actually say that you want approval to promote Selfie Cash, Forget About Broke, and Plenty Commissions, you put the secret word in the note box so they know to give you 100% commission rights. All right, and then you have the reseller rights right here, and then you have the traffic sources, and then you have the copy spinner. And traffic on tap is this tab. So let me go back to that. These are upgrades. So if you didn't buy them, then you're going to have them in this zone. So traffic on tap, it'll go into the sales page. The ultimate download, the done for you, partner with Jamie. This is one of my favorites. This is a webinar every Wednesday. So it's like the the never ending webinar where you will have access to training from Jamie Lewis every Wednesday at 8 Eastern Standard Time. 10 times maximizer. You've got the marketplace here, the vendor edition, and guru to hire in case you want to do partner with Jamie. And then you have bonus spots and contact now. And hire Jamie now, which is another one where you can hire him directly. So I'm going to see if you guys, how many people are actually in the chat room. And it's just Chris and I. This is amazing. So Chris, why don't you just tell us about your experience with Stocking Filla so far?
Well, I got Stocking Filla, and I've been working, with the webinars, and I would agree with you that those webinars are the most powerful part in there. I actually took action and went in and used the different systems to be able to promote Stocking Filla, and I've made 7 sales just on Stocking Filla alone, which this is actually the first time I've ever moved forward and actually put into action doing affiliate marketing. So this is a great line of products that helps you. Waiting to get a press release all done up after finishing up the videos on that. That's what I'm working on right now. And I'm going to put out a nice press release about, the next product that I want to promote.
That's amazing. And now you've got 100% commission. So what's phenomenal about this is it's insane. I think Jamie is crazy to offer this much value for such little amount. I mean, the hours that he has put into this project are like endless. Like I hardly see my husband most of the time. And he's basically giving us all his hard work to sell and make 100% of the commission off of. So that's amazing, and I'm thankful and grateful. He did this because one of the builders said, Jamie, can I get 100% of one of your products? But most vendors charge like $197 to get the ability to sell their product, a $200 product, and he's selling it for like $17. Like, ay, right? I mean, this is like
No, I mean, it's incredible opportunity. I couldn't believe it that you're getting 100% commissions, and it's true. You really honestly do get 100%.
Yeah. Absolutely. So like you're gonna, and that the funnel, I want to say it was like a few $100 funnel. Like literally, they could be buying Jamie's webinar, and you get 100% of that money, and you do nothing for it.
Yep. He fulfills it for you.
Yeah, days like this, it makes me thankful and grateful to be an affiliate. Right? It's like we get all the money. It's like hot diggity dog, right? So it's one of those things where you want to text, email, call, send it all out there everywhere. All right, so I promised to do this webinar for you guys and to teach you. So I'm going to just end it now, and we'll go into the questions box and see what questions you guys have and see if we can get you guys to come on camera.